truth be spoken, my keyboard is messy. What the heck? So, when I got this squishy thing that's also kind of sticky, it stuck to the ceiling. But the reason why it has dirt on the bottom, it feels nicer with the dirt, but it cleans the keyboard. Okay, let's find a spot that's untidy. I wanted to, no, we're not. Song bank. That's what it was on. Okay. Anyways, look this bit. Just gonna move that dog hair. Mostly gone, so it's useful. I wanted to go to 0, 0. The chair was just sitting on. Why did you do that? Okay, back to that. So, I mean, these things are cute and like stress toys. Maybe fidgets, if you want to call them that. Cute. But they're useful for picking up dirt, but it also makes them softer on the bottom. As you see, this bit, I get stuck on that, but on this bit, I don't. So they're useful for looking cute. And no, it's not running down, just getting rid of the dirt. It's useful, but also, again, you could always just use like cloth. But like, can you? Thank you. You could just go like this. Like when it's better. But this thing here, this little fellow, you are very helpful. Also, thanks for all the subscribers, likes and views. I rate this out of 10, probably a 9.99 out of 10, because that mouth is creepy. But otherwise, it's useful, stress relieving, and adorable. I'm gonna rate some other things that could help as well. Oof. Also, please like and subscribe, or you don't have to. Just enjoy my videos. And this guy will want you to. Bye.